Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to make someone admin on Discord. First of all, launch open Discord application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to make someone admin in your Discord server, first of all, make sure that particular server is selected. At left, you'll be able to find various servers over here. Tap on the server of your choice. Now you'll be able to see the server name at top. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like boost, invite, notifications and settings. Tap on the option settings. Now you'll be able to access the settings. So if you want to make someone the admin, first of all, you'll have to create the role of admin. What you have to do is scroll down. Now under the section for user management, you'll be able to find this option for roles. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to create the server roles. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the plus icon. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to create a new role over here. Simply tap on the field of role name. Now it is the name. Now what you have to do is simply type in admin over here. You can also select the role color if you want. After you do that, tap on this option create that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to set up the permissions. You'll be able to find the options like cosmetic, member, moderator and manager. So if you want to make someone admin, you'll have to grant them the permission of the manager. The manager will be able to do everything the moderators can do. Additionally, they'll be able to create and delete channels, create and delete roles, add emoji and apps, and they'll be able to do pretty much anything. Tap on this option, select. Now you can see over here, you'll have to add the members to the role. Simply tap on the member that you would like to make admin. After you do that, tap on this option finish that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the role for the admin has been created. You've already assigned the member the role of admin. But if you want to make someone else the admin, you can simply go back. Now in the server settings interface, you'll be able to find this option for members. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see all of the members over here. What you have to do is simply tap on the member's name that you would like to make admin. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to find various options. Under the section for roles, you'll be able to find this option for edit roles. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see various options over here. You'll be able to see the role of admin that you created earlier. Tap on it. Once you do that, tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you've made this member the admin of your Discord server. So like this, you'll be able to make someone admin. So that is how you make someone admin on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.